Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn the Google Maps notification on or off. So here is my device on my Android. What you need to do is go to the Google Maps app, and then you can just tap on your profile picture or your initial here. Click on this and then go to settings, and then find the notification option here, and then here is my current setting is that the notification is off. So when you want to turn it on, just click on the blue button here to turn on the notifications, and click on allow notification, and just like that you can just go back to the Google Maps app. Okay, just like that. And if you want to turn it off, just click on this again, and then click on the notification that you want to turn off. Okay, so that is how you can turn the Google Maps notification on or off. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.